Hi lovelies, it's Lovell Chisom here again. If today is your first time of coming across my video on my channel, you are welcome. Please subscribe, click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So on this video, we'll be making this ruffle neck design. This ruffle neck design, you can decide to be stylish with it, place it however you want it. So I decided to place mine this way. So for the bustier, it's up on my channel here. You can check it and watch it, okay? It's a very simple and easy tutorial on how to make a bustier without a boning and without a bust caging. So let us begin. You start by folding your fabric into two. I folded mine into two. Here I made use of 6 inches to cut out my strap for the ruffled sleeve. So you can make use of 4 inches, 4.5, 6 inches, 7 inches, depends on what you want. So then for the length of my strap here, I cut out 53 inches. So I made use of 53 inches. So you can make use of 70, 80, depends on your preference, depends on what you want, because the longer it is and the more ruffle it becomes. So if you want it more ruffled, you can extend your length. So mine, I make use of 53 inches. So the next thing you're going to do is you are going to fold your fabric into two and sew. So please, when sewing, give it a curve at the mouth there. When sewing, just give it a curve at least 2 inches. Look at mine here, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you how to insert your, so look at it. What I'm trying to show you here is that you should iron it in a way that the place you sew will be at the center. So we are going to make use of elastic here. So the elastic we'll be using is 1 inch and 20 inches by length, okay? I made use of 20 inches. You can extend your own, depends on how you want it. I want mine to be tighter when I wear it, so that was why I made use of 20 inches. So right here I'm going to show you how you insert your elastic with your safety pin. Look at mine, 20 inches. I'm trying to measure it here, okay? We'll start to insert it now. So I wanted mine fuller, that was why I used 6 inches, okay? You can make use of 4.5. So this is what I want. That was why I made use of 6 inches. Don't forget. So right here I'm still inserting my elastic. So when you get to this point, please watch what I did. Push your elastic inside, then you fold it this way. This is where I say you should curve it to 2.5 inches or 3 inches, depending on what you want. Go fold it this way. Use your self pin and pin it down, okay, so that it will not flip. So after that I continued. So when you get to this point again, you still repeat the same process. You can make yours 3 inches. So mine was 2.5. You can curve yours by 2 inches. So I hold it down. Now I'll go to my sewing machine and I will sew the two sides, the two edges. I will go and sew it, okay? Yeah, we are done. Our ruffle is ready. So I'm trying to put it on my mannequin. It was so hard for the needle to penetrate there, so finally I did it. So this is our final result. This particular ruffle neck, now this design, now you can decide to be stylish with it, place it anyhow you want. So I decided to place mine this way, okay? You can place it anyhow. You can even use it to create a one strap. I don't know how you people mention it, so, but you shall know what to do. Just place it anyhow you want. So this is the final result here. Thank you for watching. I love you.